morning everyone, this is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 13th of February. Is Bank of England about to hike rates earlier than expected? McCafferty, MPC member, stated on Monday that it's likely borrowing costs will rise earlier than previously thought. Main reasons cited for an earlier rate hike were that growth is holding up and inflation is significantly above the target. We see the case, however, that the rate hike path for the BOE may be influenced by the progress of the Brexit negotiations. Currently, the market seems to price in the probability for the next rate hike in early August, according to GBP/OIS. The UK CPI rate, which is expected to be released today, could play a decisive role as to the market's expectations. Overall, we see the case for the GBP to strengthen in the short term, as market expectations may grow. Cable moved in a sideways manner yesterday between the 1.3750 support line and the 1.4040 resistance line. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner, however it may gain momentum and have some bullish tendencies subject to the release of the UK financial data today. Should the pair find buying interest, it could break the downward trend line incepted since the 2nd of February and reach the 1.4040 resistance line. Should the pair find selling orders, it could break the 1.3750 support line and aim for the 1.3590 support zone. Whereas for stock markets fade away. The three major indices of Wall Street rebounded on Monday, indicative of investors regaining at least some confidence in the stock market. Analysts consider the weekend effect as the market had a calmer review of the market, gaining faith in a strong economy. The release of US government budget, including infrastructure spending, temporarily helped sectors such as materials and industrials. We see the case for the CPI data released tomorrow to play a major role on further stabilization of the market. Overall, it could be the case that the US dollar may weaken in the short term as further confidence is added to the stock market. Euro USD moved in a sideways manner yesterday between the 1.2230 support line and the 1.2355 resistance line. We see the case for the pair to trade in a bullish mood in the short term. The argument strengthening the case for a bullish mood could be the reaching of the 200 moving average in the 1-hour chart, as well as the strong RSI reading. Should the bulls take the driver's seat, the pair could break the 1.2355 resistance line and aim for the 1.2455 resistance hurdle. Should the bears take the reins, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2230 support line and aim for the 1.21 support barrier. As for today's other economic highlights, in the European morning we get the French non-farm payrolls figures for Q4, and the UK inflation data are to be released and could move the GBP as they may play a pivotal role for the market's expectations. As for speakers, FOMC member Mester will speak later on. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or search us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.